Please subscribe my YouTube channel Azimhub.
Where are you going?
I am going for a morning walk.
Have you done this before?
No, it's the first time.
Why are you going to Chennai?
I have interviews there.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from college.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Why are you sad?
Because I didn't get the job.
Why are you shouting?
Because I am angry with you.
Whom do you want to see?
I want to meet the manager.
Why are you tired?
Because yesterday I did not sleep well.
Won't you come?
No, I will not come.
Won't you go?
No, I will not go.
When will you arrive?
I will arrive this afternoon.
Whose bag is this?
This is John's bag.
Whose car is this?
This is my car.
When will you come?
I will come tomorrow.
Why are you crying?
Because I am upset.
Where do you live?
I live in Kolkata.
Who is your friend?
John is my friend.
What were you doing there?
I was doing some shopping.
Are you coming with me?
No, I am not interested.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go for a walk.
What is your friend's name?
My friend's name is John.
When will you go there?
I will go next month.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Are you with me?
Yes, I am with you.
How do you go to office?
I go by bike.
Are you there?
No, I am not.
Are you angry with me?
No, absolutely not.
Do you speak English?
No, I don't speak English very well.
Do you like me?
Yes, I like you.
When do you usually come to the office?
I usually come to office by 10 o'clock.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
What do you do?
I am a doctor.
What are you doing?
I am reading books.
Do you know him?
No, I don't know him.
What are you doing here?
I am here to market.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
How do you go to office?
I go to office in my car.
What's going on here?
There's a party here.
Why are you coming to my office?
I have a meeting there.
How to start?
You can start with the grammar.
What is your intention?
Nothing, I just want a day off.
How are you feeling?
I'm all right.
Do you want to go there again?
Definitely, I will go there.
When will you go on holiday?
Next month.
How long have you been waiting for me?
For 15 minutes.
Is he at home?
Yes, he is at home.
Should I wait for you here?
Whatever you want.
What is the date today?
Today is June 9th.
Why do you want my number?
To speak if necessary.
Should we go out tonight?
No, I'm tired. Let's stay home.
May I use your phone?
Yes, of course you can.
Do you like your job?
Yeah, I really like it.
How long will it take?
It will take an hour.
Where to sleep?
You can sleep on the sofa.
Did he say anything about it?
No, he didn't say anything.
Did you invite him?
No, I didn't invite him.
Do you deliver on Sundays?
No, Sunday is my day off.
Will it rain today?
I don't think it will rain.
Do you need any help?
No, thank you.
Why to go?
There is some work to be done, so.
May I sit next to you?
Yes, of course you can.
Do you like snow?
No, I don't like it.
Was I wrong?
No, you were not wrong.
Did you see him go out?
Yes, I saw him.
What are you doing here?
Here is some work.
What did you buy?
Some vegetables.
Has he failed again?
No, he did not fail this time.
Can we talk in private?
Yes, of course we can.
How are you feeling now?
I am feeling well.
Whose friend is he?
He is my friend.
Can you handle it?
Yes, I can.
Who are you?
I am the manager of this office.
What would you like to have?
A cup of tea only. Just a cup of tea.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes.